What makes Coastland a unique company is the people that we have, the innovation, the creativity that we have, and the drive to be the best out there. We focus on veneer production because we're good at it.
People have come to us and asked us, well, why don't you produce plywood? Why don't you make plywood out of your grade? If we just focus on producing veneer and be the best that we can be at doing that, that goes a long way into the marketplace.
1988 is when we started our business. We started off with a one-line veneer line over in Nanaimo, British Columbia. 2013, we continued to expand our veneer operations, added a third lathe line. And today, we've now expanded our drying operation to 5 dryers.
Over the years, we've broadened our customer base. LVL is still one of our most important customers, but we're focusing a lot more on high-end plywood grades for hardwood plywood and softwood plywood plants. The diversity has allowed us to even out some of those bumps in the market.
Coastland, over the years that I've been here, started with 2 dryers, 3 dryers, 4 dryers. Now with this great 5th Raute dryer, opens up the doors for us to be hopefully the best dry veneer producing company in the business.
The new dryer, drying basically twice as much as my largest other dryer does with limited extra people, is going to allow us to bring our unit costs down.
I think by increasing capacity, reducing operational manpower needs for that additional capacity, it increases our efficiency tenfold.
The business benefits that we've seen so far in a short time of having the Raute dryer in production is the ability just to consume more green veneer. And right now in this market, that's super key. Working with the Raute crew has been great.
They work together fluidly as a team, whether it be from the mechanical guys, the engineers, the programmers, all the way up to the VPs.
When we did see things going in a direction that we weren't sure about, Raute regrouped and pulled us all in and communicated with us and made sure that they were addressing any concerns we had. I think that's the biggest thing. I think Raute has really stepped up, and so that's kind of made the project exciting and worthwhile to date.